Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily enable chat bubbles and chat headers in Facebook Messenger app on your Android device. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put likes, write comments. Let's get started. What are these chat bubbles? It's a special add-on in Messenger, which is only available on Android devices, so that you can have Facebook Messenger messages pop up on top of all the other apps that you have open. For example, if you have a message to send, it will immediately pop up on your screen here on top of all the other apps that you have open at the moment. So how do we activate this? To do that, we go into Facebook Messenger. Next, we click on the three bars to go to the menu. And now we go to Settings. Next, we scroll through. I have in my menu, on my Android right away you see, I have a section like Bubbles. Maybe you do. It's not going to be right off the bat. You might have chart headers. If you go into the chart headers, you'll already have a bubble section there. So, when we go into them, we have a choice here. We can either turn them off or we can turn them on. On some people, or we can turn them on for all users. So all users' messages will come to you. They'll be above any app that you have open. And when you choose what you want more of, you can just log out. And know that you have that feature set up right away. It's connected, and once someone messages you in Messenger, you don't have to worry. Rest assured that that message will be in that balloon, in the bubble on top of all other applications, and you will be able to respond to it immediately. This is how you can include chat bubbles and chat headers in the Facebook Messenger app on your Android device. I hope this video was useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.